Hello, I'm Klaus Andersen, and a quick look on the trade of the day. Today is the 25th of October 2018. This is the DAX on a 5-minute time frame. So we had an interesting open today. Yesterday the market dropped steep, and today we had an open bull bar that closed on the high, but we didn't trade higher. Sellers came in on the close of this bar and traded it down all the way down to the low. Could be a sell signal on the open, but then again on this close right here we didn't trade lower. That was bought for a bull bar that closed on the high. Now we have a up down up. Could count this as a reversal for the upside, but it's too uncertain for me to trade. So as price developed right here, there was a potential nice trade in here, but I like this one over here better. Now I'm gonna tell you why. We had this high up here. This was this black line. This is a major resistance area, and we had a bounce here, and then we had a correction, and then we had a lower high. So still market is always in long. Here the market is still always in long, and then you get that, and then potential trend line, draw it in, and then we wait, and then you get a confirmation on the parallel line down here. So now you got a channel, and when price moved up here, then look at this trend lines. It's confirmed by this by this bar right here. Trade all the way up there, and then sold off and closed near the lows. The next bar traded up and then traded down. So I like this signal bar right here. It's if you count this as a double bottom, it's a first entry and a second entry short. So that's a good setup. Also, this bull move up here, you had a strong bull bar there, but then followed by a doji and a bear bar. You had a strong bull bar here, then followed by a doji, a bear bar, doji. Not real strong bull movement for continuation of this morning trend right here. So you figure we might be moving into some more sideways trading, or a reversal down to perhaps have a larger trading range in here. Anyways, this is a high probability trade in my book, and a nice signal bar. Well, what speaks against this trade right here is the strong morning bull move. Are we sure that the market is not still always in long here? Well, I think it's safe to say that it's a high probability for a scalp. First target being these lows down here. You also have a target that's the channel line down here. You had these lows over there. You had a 100% expansion of this range here. And that's what we end up getting. And as I said in one of the previous videos, often when you get a correction, it corrects down to where the spike ends and the channel starts. If we want to call this open here a spike and channel, then you get the spike up to here, and then or all the way up to here. I think here is the proper pullback, and then we start trading like a channel. Like I'm just gonna try and draw this in. Perhaps you have this high up here, and then a pullback right down to there, and then fits good on these lows all the way up here, and the midline, that's also okay. And then we ended up with an overshoot. That often gives us a break of the trend line down here. That's what happened. But trade of the day, this trend line confirmation, a second entry short, and after a weak bull move, good context for at least a move down. And as you saw, it was you had a 3 push pattern down, 1, 2, 3 measured moves. We actually went a bit further on this last move right here, and then prices turned up again. Difficult to get into this this bull move here. Just made a V reversal down here, so I wouldn't take this trade down here. You could say after the channel you had an overshoot of the channel, but how the market's been these last few days right here, I would skip this trade. So, or at least wait for a double bottom or retest of the lows down here before going long. Well, that's it for today. I am Klaus Andersen. Have a nice trading week.